In nutrition in animals, we studied that the food we eat gets digested into simpler compounds. Now, these simpler compounds like glucose, amino acids, fatty acid and glycerol has to reach every cell. During breathing, we take in air which is rich in oxygen, and now this oxygen is there in the lungs. Now, from here it has to reach every cell. So, we can say that small intestine has food, digested food. Lungs have oxygen, and both of these have to reach cells. Why? For cellular respiration. To recapitulate, cellular respiration means burning of food in the presence of oxygen. Now, this has to be burnt, but it cannot be done in small intestine, nor can it be done in the lungs. It has to be a third place. Now, how do these two things reach cells? That is what we call transportation, and that is what we are going to study today. You stay in a particular place, your school is in another place, your father's office is another place, and mother's office is in yet another place. So, each one of you has to reach your place of work. Similarly, in the evening or otherwise you have to reach the playground or maybe a stadium for a better practice. And to reach all these destinations, you use various modes of transportation, a car, a bus or a metro. Now, which car, bus or metro is there in human body? Of course, these things are not there in human body. Now, if by chance your hand gets cut by a blade, a knife, or you just get bruised, what oozes out of your body? A red liquid. What is that red liquid? I can see the smile on your faces. I know, you know it. The red colored fluid that oozes out is nothing but blood. And the metro system of body is through blood. It is the transporting medium. It is the blood which takes food, digested food from the small intestine to every cell, and it is the same blood which is there in the lungs which takes oxygen to every cell. Not only this, after cellular respiration, the carbon dioxide that gets produced is also taken back to lungs to be exhaled. In our body, lot of chemical changes are all the time taking place. The sum total of all physical and chemical changes are called metabolism or metabolic activities. Now, when these activities are taking place, some waste products are also produced, just like carbon dioxide is a waste product of respiration. Similarly, when nitrogenous compounds decompose, they produce urea, and this urea is then changed into urine. Ammonia is produced in liver, and then it is transported as urea and uric acid to kidneys, where the filtration of urine takes place. Now, how does this urea reach the kidneys? Again, with the help of blood. So, now we can easily say that blood is the transporting medium. Now, what is blood? Blood is actually a tissue. A tissue is a group of cells having same structure, function and origin, and blood is a connective tissue. So, first thing that you must remember about blood is it is a connective tissue. The connective tissue connects all parts of the body, and blood also does the same.